Good early morning. We are so glad you're here.
We daily vlog. So if you like this video, we hope you'll come back tomorrow.
We are in the foggy
Mountains.
Are we mountains still? Foggy mountains of Tennessee.
Yeah, like central northern Tennessee.
That's from the office.
I'll show you. So here is our view. It's actually having a hard time focusing because there's like nothing to focus on. Yeah, we're gonna take it nice and easy and hopefully be in Kentucky soon.
But my
We have
sleep
the
is
Michelle
off too.
Obama podcast
And I've heard this
going
from a lot of people.
to start
It's,
the
you
day.
know.
We are stopped just before the Illinois border.
I thought we were in Illinois.
Are we?
We passed the bridge, I thought.
I think we passed a bridge. I don't think we passed the bridge. Yeah, we're almost, like, we're literally, like, right there. Yeah.
Sarah's been doing a great job of running a report for me yesterday and today, but we ran into issues this morning. So I'm actually, while we were filling up gas, I took over my computer and I'm running a couple things.
Yeah, a tiny
I'm really
delay.
sad about it.
Because we've just been kicking butt. We want to get it done because I got to edit the vlog.
It's not even our fault.
Yeah.
It has to do with like a third-party company not giving us a file by a certain time kind of thing.
But I can take it back over now?
I think so.
Okay. We're eating peanut butter and not jelly, just peanut butter sandwiches. And got these from the gas station.
They're delicious. I'm about to slug back this whole bottle of water.
We're both parched. And then after that, like, how many hours?
6. 5 or 6.
5 hours?
Look at this. On the right hand side in just a moment you'll see. Welcome to Illinois. Land of Lincoln. We, for the first time in 2020, we're in Illinois. Let's try not to get pulled over this time.
We are well through Illinois now, which is wonderful. My laptop died as I was exporting the vlog, so I'm gonna have to finish it when we get to my mom's. But at least it's edited, and I'm gonna get it all situated and whatnot. But yeah, we're just cruising. Do you think we'll stop once more? No? Unless like we really need a bathroom break or something?
Yeah.
We're good on gas?
Should be good, I guess.
Good on energy?
Good on energy.
Good on happiness?
Well, overloaded on happiness.
Got the Michelle Obama podcast back on. And that's our update soon. I mean, how many miles? Like, I think I recently just saw like 180 something miles to Chicago. So, again, great time. We're out of the cornfields. There's plenty of bugs on the window. Oh my goodness. But we are nearing the south suburbs of Chicago. We're probably like 15 minutes-ish slash, at least from like our exit.
Yeah, but that's when like the real excitement begins. Because like when we get off the exit, we're gonna be near our last apartment here.
Yeah, and also like we're like the neighborhoods where our family members live and whatnot.
Yeah.
So
I can't believe it's 1:18 that we're here this early.
This
like I
is
never
just, like-
fathomed. When we left this morning, I put in the address just to get me from the Airbnb back onto the interstate. But I saw that it said 1:30, and I was like, "That's literal insanity. There's no way we're making that."
this has been my favorite drive.
It's been the easiest.
It's been the easiest for sure. I think it was like breaking it up in half instead of like a longer and then a shorter slash driving all the way through. Like it really, really made a difference. And we're not.
That is more like professional.
You're a professional.
Cross country drivers.
I just sat here.
Yeah, but you're like a professional.
We only stopped once.
Like co-captain.
Well, thank you. Here's our high school. Comment below if you went to my community high school. Also, this looks like a really fancy main entrance. It's not. Nobody goes in those doors.
Look who it is. We made it safe and sound.
So I didn't have chocolate in my teeth.
Look how huge Luca is now.
He's got SpongeBob teeth, everybody.
Luca! Oh gosh. Show us your teeps. Little camera shot, not too much. Not sure.
Oh my god. Wow.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you sweaty? A little sweaty? Because we were playing outside?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Was it crazy Cucamonga?
Yeah.
Thirsty?
Go back outside.
You want to go back outside? You don't want to take a rest? What about, we have a little bit more water and rest a little bit, then we'll go back outside. Deal? I think we found the spot for the magnets. Yeah!
Excellent.
Next one. Who is this?
Minnie Mouse.
Oh, working.
Pizza.
Pizza's right. Delicious. With Mickey's on it too. Violet, I love you.
What'd you say?
Peter,
What?
you had
What
such a
goes
mic?
in the cookies?
Yes.
I've never had it, but I've heard it's terrible.
Ooh. What else?
Yes.
Alrighty, so we have all been getting ready for the shower. My mom's doing some errands. Christina's baking the cookies like you saw. And I'm gonna paint Violet's nails, right?
Paint one nail.
My nails are done, but I'm gonna paint your nails.
Okay.
Ready?
3 made nails.
Ooh, gorgeous.
Dinner on your first night back? Some whiteys.
And then we're running 2 miles.
Then we're running 2 miles. But
I haven't run in a week.
Grant got real meat, Sarah and I, and so the rest of the family. You got real meat?
I don't know.
I don't know what you got.
This is gonna be
Because she's
good.
not sitting on her.
Wow, look at this beautiful sky. I will say, it rained for like 45 minutes and it feels beautiful out. Huge positive here compared to Florida because when it rains here, it feels good after. When it rains in Florida, I still have to go on a 2 mile run. And yeah, I know we ate White Castles, but I'm still going on it. It's just a 2 mile day for me, which is like a rest day. But it feels beautiful out. I can't wait. I can't imagine in like 2 hours how nice. It's probably going to be in the low 70s in like 2 or 3 hours. I'm like excited to run these. I may even run more than 2 if I can convince Grant.
How was your run, boys?
Really good.
Good.
Grant almost made me throw up.
Or did the White Castles almost make you throw up?
Castles, for sure.
Now you're playing video games. So our shower is tomorrow and we've been spending the whole day just getting stuff ready. This is a little flower crown I get to wear tomorrow. And I finally got to see the invitation for the shower. A lot of like the different elements for the shower have been like secrets to us, surprises for tomorrow. But I did get to see some of the centerpieces that have different greenery and gingham ribbon, and I don't know, I'm really excited to see everything tomorrow. But it's just so nice that this actually got to happen and that we were able to travel, and it's gonna be, you know, a backyard party with close family and friends. And so again, it's just like another one of those super surreal moments with this pregnancy, with this strange year. It just feels really good to be here, and I'm just so grateful for all of the work that everybody's put into the shower and whatnot. So I just feel really full. My heart feels nice and full. Also, Christina is known for her chocolate chip cookies these days. And she like adds different things to it, like coconut and Oreo for the ones for our shower. And she was very nice and made them plant-based for tomorrow. So that is super exciting. And again, just like another thing, I'm just like on grateful cloud nine for this whole weekend. But yeah, all of our stuff is down here. I don't know, I think we've shown, since Christina and Grant moved back upstairs, this has become like the Disney room again. Yeah, it was at Christmas time. But all of our stuff is down here, so I'm gonna get ready for bed. And I'm actually sleeping with Christina instead of the couch because with me being, you know, almost 7 months along, Grant is nice enough to sleep on the couches downstairs with Peter.
We made it. I don't think we're ever gonna not have it split between 2 days.
Yeah.
Grant's dancing.
I wish I could see.
Oh.
With my one short.
Tomorrow's a big day.
We got an awesome video of Eve interacting with the kitty
kitten.
cat. I'm gonna put that in here. But yeah, good day.
Tomorrow's gonna be an awesome day too.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.